Balurghat Lok Sabha constituency in West Bengal has become one of the most hotly contested seats, with state BJP President Shukanta Majumdar contesting on behalf of the BJP. And to campaign for him, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Balurghat as part of this Vijay Sankalp Sabha. Taking on Shukanta Majumdar is the Trinamool State Minister Biplab Moitro, but this seat is going to be a hotly contested seat, as it is going to see two very strong political personalities take on each other. For Shukanta Majumdar, this is a prestige battle. His political pitch is the Modi government's efforts to modernize and improve railway services to Balurghat. And the crowds at the Modi rally are an indicator that there is traction for his argument, a claim the Trinamool Congress challenges. But Shukanta Majumdar says just the amount of railway development will help him win, and the Prime Minister's campaign for him has ensured that. Not only lakhs turned up at the rally, but even the helipad was packed.
Today Narendra Modi ji addressed two rallies, one here and another helipad also. Yes. They are surrounding the helipad. I think almost 10 to 15,000 people are present there. कल हमने दिल्ली का यहाँ से एक ट्रेन मिला हमको, जनता बहुत खुश है. दिल्ली का ट्रेन कभी इस जिले से चलेगा हम सोच भी नहीं सकते. शियालदह बालूरघाट का तो उल्लेख माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने किया. बालूरघाट हिली के लिए हमने 500 करोड़ रुपया यहाँ से लाए.
अगले 5 वर्षों में भाजपा सरकार बंगाल और बालूरघाट के विकास के लिए हर प्रयास करेगी. ये मोदी की गारंटी है. Despite Shukanta Majumdar's confidence, the Trinamool candidate believes he has a chance to pull it off, which is why he's campaigning well after sunset, late into the night, in areas that he believes will deliver for him. For the Trinamool candidate, who's also a state minister, the challenge the party has entrusted him with is not easy.
It is a very contesting seat. I cannot say that it's a easy seat, but it will be owned by us, as actually the seat was ours. This time we have already prepared ourselves so that the seat may be recovered and it will be gifted to our beloved leader Srimati Mamata Banerjee.
বলে যাচ্ছি আপনাদের আবার, যদি আমি একটুও পলিটিক্স বুঝে থাকি আর বিজেপি চোখমুখের আতঙ্ক বুঝে থাকি এবং ওদের ভাষার যে কদাকার রুচি যদি বুঝে থাকি, তাহলে বলবো ইসবার বিজেপি নেই হোগা 200 পার.
The Trinamool candidate also questions Shukanta Majumdar's performance as MP, but admits the Prime Minister's campaign will help him.
He always pretends that he is doing very much for the people.
He claims railways
of the people, and he claims also. But whenever he is asked that what you have done within your tenure of 5 years, but he is avoiding that. Prime Minister तो एक बड़ा नाम है हमारा देश का, तो ये ठीक ही है. ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर जब आएंगे उसको थोड़ा इन्फ्लुएंस तो होगा ही.
Both candidates in Balurghat are sons of the soil. Both claim to have delivered for their constituents, and both accuse each other of not doing enough for Balurghat. But in a hard-fought election like this one, the Balurghat seat is perhaps an indicator of how each and every seat is throwing up a battle. With camera person GD Shankar in Balurghat, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.